Hey there, guys. I got a situation here. Looks like board got burnt up, you know. And I want to show you guys a good example. I used to do this all the time when I couldn't solder, and I've gotten much better at soldering. But for those of you, that are having problems soldering, you're gonna be like me when you started out and go through so many boards. But when I got this, I could tell that there was probably gonna be some issues. This motor wire came off, and then I noticed, I said, oh no, the pad's in bad shape. So I got all the burnt off crap off of it. It was burnt up paste, that's why it wasn't sticking. He burnt the pad off. Oh, stupid soldering iron. So that's it. Let me see who's calling. Hello, this is Jeremy. Yeah, so if I can get a bead on there, it'd be doing really well. Come on, baby. She's not wanting to stick, Oh, well, maybe. I might have got lucky, guys. Uh-oh. Ah, this stupid soldering iron, dude. If you guys got one of these Squires, this is my second one. And these things are so aggravating, dude. When this cord starts shorting out, it's just a nightmare. And I have 10 cords. Do any of you guys have this problem with these stupid cords? Because I have problems with this shit all the time. Alright. So there we go. Please stick. Please stick. Guys, she's not gonna stick. She's just not gonna stick. Doesn't matter what I do. She's not gonna stick. And I'm just holding on there way too long. But what can you do? I know it's not gonna stick. So, alright, so we've got JB Weld, we've got, all kinds of shit, CA, guys, what can I use? I'll glue this motherfucker on there, I don't want to ruin this board, and I know it's ruined, so, what can we do when we ruin a board like this? That's a good question, because I know these boards can be fixed. These PCB boards can be fixed, but I've got a couple like this. When I first started learning how to solder, and I was doing these deals right here, which I've got to redo that. Looks like he burnt up that pad right there. I better not touch it. The ball looks shiny. It looks like it'll hold. But, look at that ground wire. It's just barely hanging on. If you guys can see that. Goodness. Yeah, so is that one. Oh, boy. Alright, well. Okay, I love you guys. Happy flying, and peace out.